Everyone knows that water is supposed to stay inside the fridge, not leak on the floor or underneath the fridge's drawers. If you're having this issue, watch this video to find the solution and stop those leaks in their tracks. First, make sure your fridge is level so it's tilted slightly back, which helps prevent leaks. Next, check the fridge's connections, such as the water line and its couplers, to make sure they're inserted and secured properly. Another possible cause is residual ice. It's normal for some residual ice to get caught in the water line, chute, or dispenser, and then melt later. If your fridge's water dispenser is leaking, it may be due to an air bubble in the water hose, especially if you recently replaced the filter or installed the fridge. To get rid of the pesky air bubble, dispense 2 to 3 gallons of water from the dispenser. Then, check if the dispenser is still leaking. You should also check if your filter is a genuine Samsung one. Third-party filters can cause issues in the fridge, such as leaks. If you are getting water under the fridge's veggie drawers, it could also be because of the water filter. Some fridge models store the water filter directly under the veggie drawers. Leaks can occur if the filter is not assembled correctly and if the valve is not inserted into the right position. Turn off the water valve, remove the water filter, and then reinsert it. Next, turn the water valve back on and see if the problem is fixed. If you've found any damaged parts in your fridge that are causing the leak, you should contact Samsung support to set up service.